I wanna show you how to make animated light text effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! I have already added my picture to my timeline. The first thing that I need to do is to write the text. Just select the text tool and write the text that you want. In my case it is light. Then go to the essential graphics. If for some reason you don't see the essential graphic, go to Window and activate it. By the essential graphic you can modify the size of the text, the type and so on. Scroll down and activate the shadow. Choose the color that you prefer. Next, you have to duplicate your text. Just hold Alt and drag the text above, the duplicated copy will be created. Then go to the effects and write Gaussian blur. Add the Gaussian blur effect to your duplicated text. Come back to the effects control. By the blend mode, change to the screen one. Under the Gaussian blur, activate the blurriness. Move your timeline 1 second ahead and change the value to 120. Then move again your timeline 1 second ahead and change the value to 40. Do it till the moment that you want that your effect will last. Everything is ready, let's see the result. How to grow this channel? Put your like and subscribe.